What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the yellow screen on your POCO M6 Plus. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. Now in display and brightness, scroll down and tap on reading mode, and here you will see a reading mode button on the top. So to fix the yellow screen, tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button, the yellow screen issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the yellow screen on your POCO M6 Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.